Kenny Landrum, and oh my goodness, we are doing a Golf Cart Confessions at 7 p.m. at night. This is so awesome. I have a special guest. Let's jump right into it. Hey, April.
Hello.
How are you doing?
I'm good. How are you, Kenny?
Thanks for joining me
Well, thanks for
this
inviting
evening.
me.
I'm so honored. I appreciate it.
Well, I'm honored.
What would you like to confess to on Golf Cart Confessions today?
Well, I have two confessions.
Two?
I'm going to try to keep up with my friend Shelly Lowe here.
Oh, I like it. You're going to outdo Shelly?
I'm going to try.
Try.
So I have two confessions. My first confession is I can never remember when my wedding anniversary is.
Really?
I know I'm a horrible person.
No, I wouldn't call you a horrible person at all. I think that's something that we're all sometimes challenged with.
Every year I think it's May 12th. And my husband says, no, April, it's May 11th. And I don't know why I cannot remember that after 17 years.
17 years?
17 years. He's put up with me for 17 years.
You're married to Kid Kentucky, aren't you?
I am.
Oh, we have to get him on here as well. I like it. So you said you had a couple of confessions. So what's your second confession?
My second confession I'm wearing. Do you see this coat right here?
This coat?
Yeah. So why would I wear this coat when it's 82 degrees outside?
I don't know. Why would you wear a coat when it's 82 degrees out?
Because I am a part of the Bowling Green Junior Women's Club, and we have our Coats for Kids drive going on right now. And so I am wearing this coat because we need coats.
Yes, we do need coats. So when did the drive start?
October 1.
Okay, and it goes through?
December 1.
Awesome. And you guys, Bowling Green Junior Women's Club, have been doing this for how many years now?
This is our 27th year.
Did you say 27?
Can you believe it?
27th
Yes,
year?
27.
Wow.
I know, it's mind-blowing.
You provided probably lots of coats for folks in the community, kids in the community, everybody in the community.
Last year we gave out 1,600.
Did you say 1,600?
And you know what? We're going to beat that this year.
You're going to beat that
We
here
are.
in 2018.
We are. It's my goal. We are going to beat it.
Awesome. Are you the chair for this
I
event?
am. I got to be the lucky chairperson this year.
Awesome.
And I'm honored to do it, really.
Awesome. So where do folks drop off their coats?
So we have several drop-off locations. BB&T, you can drop it off at the branch there. You can take one to my friend Shelly Lowe at BGMU.
Okay.
They're a wonderful partner. They gave us some money as well as a drop-off location.
Shout out to BGMU.
That's right. Franklin Bank and Trust.
Awesome.
The police department, they have their cruiser out front, lights going. You can drop off a coat there. They partner with us every year.
Awesome.
And those are the main places that you can drop a coat off. We're also taking monetary donations.
Awesome. So
Yeah.
if they want to learn more about this, where would they go? Would they go to the Bowling Green Junior Women's Facebook
Yes.
page?
Yes, Facebook page, Bowling Green Junior Women's Club, or you can just go to our website. You can email the club if you would like to make a donation, or if you're in need of a coat. If you're on the other side and you need a coat, we'll be happy to help.
Awesome. What's the email?
It's www.bgjwc.com is our website. Go there and then you can just click on the link.
Okay,
It's Yahoo.
awesome.
It's a Yahoo.
Awesome. I love it. I so appreciate you coming out tonight in this 82-degree weather, wearing that beautiful coats, promoting Bowling Green Junior Women's Coats for Kids.
Yes.
Awesome. So be sure to donate one of your coats for Coats for Kids at
And-
one of those many.
Yes, many drop-off locations. And you can check the website and the Facebook page, and they're all listed. But I want to confess on behalf of Kenny, this young man is so humble. He has helped the Women's Club tremendously through multiple events, like your birthday fundraiser, and he has done a lot of wonderful things. He is a good man. If you need a car, it's the Kenny Landrum. Check him out.
I appreciate that. Thank you so much.
Absolutely.
I do love Bowling Green Junior Women's Club.
We know you do. We love you too.
Awesome. I appreciate you joining me tonight on
Yes.
Golf Cart Confessions. So, that is a special episode of Golf Cart Confessions that will air in the morning. Yes, this is night. It's going to air in the morning. Stay tuned for our next episode. Who will we interview next? It could be